Okay, today let's talk about silicone because the use of silicone today, it's just out of control. It's just out of control. Silicone is a vital waterproofing sealant that is used in a lot of home repair and construction. But it is also being used as a universal soldier to hide imperfections from the roof down to your basement. So let's talk about silicone use around the glass enclosure of your shower or bathtub. Once the glass enclosure has been installed, it's important to know where and how to apply the silicone. And most importantly, it's important to know where not to put it. It doesn't go everywhere. Many glass enclosures become moldy because of the overuse of silicone. Is your glass enclosure moldy? Well, we know why. We have the answers. Or maybe you have a freestanding sink and there's mold growing between the body of the sink and the wall tiles. That is because someone used the silicone sealant incorrectly. So in our book, What's Wrong with My Bathroom, we're going to show you how to correctly apply the silicone and where to correctly apply the silicone so you don't have mold growing in your bathroom. The book is available on our website, what'swrongwithmybathroom.com, in paperback and ebook version.